Let's talk about the area of a circle today. Area of a circle is the amount of space that's inside. So the area is going to be, if I were to shade this in, that would be my area of the circle. So yesterday we talked about circumference, the distance around. Today we're talking about the inside. Okay, again, I have my radius and I have my diameter. I only have one formula for area of a circle this time, though. The area of a circle is just pi r squared. So again, we're going to use 3.14 for pi. Okay, except you have to use the radius, which means if I give you a diameter, then you have to divide the diameter by 2 to find that radius. Okay, you have to use the radius, and you cannot divide by 2 at the end. You have to do that first. So if I give you whatever diameter, if I give you shape of the diameter, the first thing you need to do with the diameter is divide it by 2 to get the radius, because you have to plug the radius into the formula. Again, the formula for the area of a circle is area equals pi r squared. If you need to pause, go ahead. Otherwise, I'm going to go on to my examples. Alright, I got two examples, one with the radius, one with the diameter. So since this is a radius, I can use that in my formula, because my formula uses a radius. So the first thing I'm going to do is area equals pi r squared. Okay, then I'm going to plug it in. Again, use 3.14 for pi, so I'm going to do 3.14, and I'm going to multiply that by 10 squared. Now remember, 10 squared is not 20. It's not 10 times 2. It is 10 times 10, which is 100. You do have a squared button on your calculator to help you. So I'm going to do 3.14 times 10 squared, which is going to be 314. Since this is area, my units for area are always squared, so it's 314 centimeters squared. And the reason it's squared is because I'm squaring that radius. Okay, and that is my final answer, 314 centimeters squared. Now in example B, I've given you a diameter. So the first thing I want you to do is figure out what the radius is. So I'm going to do 12 divided by 2. You get 6. That is my radius. Now I can use that number in my formula. So I'm going to do area equals pi r squared. And then I'm going to do 3.14 times 6 squared. And when I do 3.14 times 6 squared, I'm going to get 113.04. Again, my units are squared, so it's going to be inches squared. And that is my area of example B. So you have to remember, you must use the radius. Okay, so if I give you the radius, that's easy. If I give you the diameter, you just have to divide it by 2 to find the radius. And remember, squaring does not mean times 2. That means multiplying the number by itself. 10 squared is 10 times 10. 6 squared is 6 times 6. You have to remember that. Okay, if you need to go back and watch any of those again, go ahead. Otherwise, have a great night, and I'll see you guys later.